Hello guys, welcome to another quick tip. On your Alfa 156, do you have water appearing here on this junction and maybe staining your A-pillar cover? I have a quick tip for you. A few years ago I had this problem and now I'm seeing this over and over again, so I decided to do a quick tip about this. On the Alfa's 156, in the roof here you have the junction of two sheet metals, the upper one and the lower one here. On some cars, those two sheet metals are not isolated with products or paint or whatever, and with time, water comes in through here, behind the rubber, and can actually enter inside the car. It's a very strange water leakage, but it's true. I encountered it on this car, and I'm seeing here over and over again on the forums. So the solution obviously is to take out all of the rust, paint it, and make sure you can fix and isolate all the holes that can enter inside of your car. Also, you may notice as well on the doors of the Alfa 156, this part here is not very perfect. It has this crease here. I actually asked my painter to smooth this out and paint it, of course, so you don't have sometimes it appears a drip of water in here. It is because of this bad finishing, and in fact it is not perfect, but it's better, much better. But what about the cars that have the sunroof? Yes, you have to consider also leakage on the sunroof. I will do a video about maintenance and cleaning on the sunroofs. Yes, they have maintenance. The first thing you want to consider when you have a leakage is the two drains. I cannot capture on camera. You have a drain inside there, a drain over here, and another one over there, the same. Because many of you may think that it is this rubber here around it when it is closed that isolates the water from the car. 99% of the water, yes, but any water that enters, imagine you forgot your sunroof open on this position, for example, any water that enters here, you have this channels so the water can drain through the pillars into the ground, okay? So don't delete your sunroof just yet. Make sure you have the drains all plugged out, all free, okay? So, because if you have water standing over here, obviously the sunroof will rotten from the inside out. On the Alfa's 156 and 159, 159 is very interesting for that. You may have water collecting here on top of the hose and enters the car in that way. I will do a video, a complete video, to find water leakages, a method. So how can we find water leakages? Don't replace anything until you are absolutely sure you have found the problem. See you next time. Bye.